Hello, let me introduce you how to add the M6 doorbell on the PC or laptop. First, I have connected the M6 doorbell with my cell phone. M6 doorbell, and I can view it through my cell phone. Back. If you want to view the videos through the PC, you need to install a Android simulate at first and install the XSH camera APK in the simulate. Open it. Then I'm sorry, I can't change the language to English. It's only Chinese. Then scan the QR code. And in the cell phone settings, then share the QR code. Okay, it has my laptop can recognize the QR code and add the device. So it's like the cell phone. If your PC doesn't have the camera, you can also add it to the QR code. You scan the QR code in the gallery view. It can also recognize the pictures and add. So it's very easy to install to add the device in the PC. And when someone presses the ring button, the PC will get a notification.